morning everyone, myself Shravani from 9th class. Today's thought of the day. The beauty of learning is no one can take it away from you. Thank you all.
Good morning, one and all. Myself Kanachida. Good morning, one and all. Myself Kanachida. I am from 9th class. Today, word of the day. Noun, part of the speech. Meaning, living together peacefully. Example, student should maintain harmony in the classroom. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. Myself Inmadi from 9th class. Today's sloka. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnaha Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakyam Atma Nivedanam. Its meaning, listening, singing, remembering the Lord, serving his feet, worshipping him, praying to him, serving him as a servant, treating him as a friend, and completely surrounding oneself. These are the 9 forms of Vishnu. Thank you. Good morning one and all. Myself Naveshandika. I am from 9th class. Today great personality. Paidimari Venkat Subbarao garu. Paidimari Venkat Subbarao garu భారతదేశానికి గౌరవకారమైన మహానుభావుడు. ఆయన ఒక గొప్ప సాహితీవేత్త, కవి, విద్యావేత్త. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ప్రతి పాఠశాలలో రోజు చదివే భారతదేశంలో మాతృభూమి అనే జాతీయ ప్రతిజ్ఞను, నేషనల్ ప్లెడ్జ్ను ఆయన రాయటం ఆయనకు చిరస్థాయిగా నిలిచింది. ఆయన విశేషాలు 1962లో తెలుగు భాషలో జాతీయ ప్రతిజ్ఞను రచించారు. ఈ జాతీయ ప్రతిజ్ఞ భారతదేశపు లక్షలాది మంది పిల్లలలో దేశాభిమానం, ఐక్యత, కర్తవ్య భావన పెంచింది. ఆయన రచనలు సరళమైన భాష, ఉన్నతమైన ఆలోచనలు, దేశం మీద ప్రేమతో నిండి ఉంటాయి. ఆయన రాసిన జాతీయ ప్రతిజ్ఞ నేటికి కోట్ల మంది విద్యార్థులు ఉదయాన్నే స్మరిస్తూ దేశభక్తిని వ్యక్తపరుస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Good morning everyone, myself Meghna from 9th class. Today special day. The Indian Navy Day is celebrated every year on 4th December. It is observed with the purpose of celebrating the magnificent achievement of the Indian Navy, important role played in maintaining peace for the country on the maritime front. Day is celebrated in order to commemorate the naval attack known as Operation Trident, which the Indian Navy pulled of the Pakistan naval base in Karachi during the Indian-Pakistan war on December 4, 1971. The attack was launched by 3 Bidipur class missile boats in INS Impact, INS Veer and INS Knight. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chantajan, study in 9th class. Today district news. GVMC Commissioner order Vishaka Museum makeover. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Umar Shankar from 9th class. Today states news. Russian President Vladimir Putin is visiting India and the two countries are expected to sign agreements including a mobility pact. Thank you all.
Good morning to everyone, myself Pavna, I am from 9th class. Today agriculture news. Commodity prices and agriculture market insights surveying farmers, registering and producers. Thank you all.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Mokshagnya. I am from 9th class. Today national news. The Co-ordinated the jobs of 32,000 primary teachers, dismissing an early order citing irregularities in recruitment. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, I am Shivam from 9th class. Today's international news. The global economy is expected to slow down in 2025 with the global rate of 2.6%, down from 2.9% in 2024, according to the UN Trade and Development Body. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Levandev, I am from 9th class. Today's sports news. India vs South Africa, second ODI match. South Africa won by 4 wickets. Thank you all.
Today our 9th class is going to sing a song.
जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री.
जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री.
जय 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 शतसहस्र नर नारी हृदय नेत्री.
जय 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 शतसहस्र नर नारी हृदय नेत्री.
जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री.
जय 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 प्रिय
दिव्यदात्री
जय जय सस्यामल सस्यामल चल चेलांचल
जय जय सस्यामल सस्यामल चल चेलांचल
जय वसंत कुसुमलता चलित ललित चूर्ण कुंतल जय मदीय मधुर गेय चुंबित सुंदर चरण
जय मधुर गेय चुंबित सुंदर चरण जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री जय 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 शतसहस्र नर नारी हृदय नेत्री
जय दिशांतगत सकुंत दिव्य गान परितोषण
जय दिशांतगत सकुंत दिव्य गान परितोषण
जय गायक वैतालिक गल विशाल पद विहरण जय मदीय मधुर गेय चुंबित सुंदर चरण
जय मदीय मधुर गेय चुंबित सुंदर चरण जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री जय 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 शतसहस्र नर नारी हृदय नेत्री जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री थैंक यू ऑल
Today 9th class students are going to have a conversation about future schools and advantages of future schools. Let's see what conversation they will have about future schools. This is a conversation between two friends. Hi Sandy, why didn't you attend the school yesterday? Hi Sam, I had to see the doctor, so I didn't attend the school yesterday. What happened? Are you not feeling well? Yes, I'm suffering from cervical and lumbar pain. What is it because of? It is because of carrying excessive heavy bags on our back. Does carrying heavy bags on our back cause that much of risk? Yes, it causes lower and upper back pain and it strains our shoulders and it further leads to hunchback or spinal curvature. I am afraid. Then I wish we could have future schools that are upgraded which only have e-books or tablets. Why do you have such a wish? In future we only have e-books or e-tablets. What do you mean by e-books? An e-book is a book that consists of all kind of books in a computer. That means that we can have millions of books in computer and it is good for plenty more. We need not possess any notebooks and slip tests in future schools. What a waste these physical and printed books are. Then what about the homeworks and slip tests? You have to do your homework on tablet itself and write your tests on it too. Then how to submit it to the... You have to write them in a punch code and put them in a proper code. Who will evaluate them? The e-teacher will calculate the marks in no time. That means we can go to school with empty-handed? No, we'll carry e-books to our school. I have understood. Each will have his own e-book at our home. Yes, you got it. Is the e-book teacher smarter than human teacher? No, human teacher is always better than e-teacher and e-teacher will help the human teacher. Okay, Sandy. See you later. Okay, Sandy. Bye.